Hi, Rosemary. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to send you this pipe cutter. It'll cut copper, it'll cut CPVC pipe, and it'll make things a lot easier. So what you're going to do, I saw in the picture you have that green corrosion. Go backwards past that green corrosion until you get a piece of the pipe where there's no corrosion on that at all. Corrosion, what I mean by corrosion is all that green stuff that's built up on there. Okay? So what you do, just say this is the pipe that you're going to cut. You go beyond the green corrosion and you put this onto the pipe and you tighten it just a little bit. Just like that. And where there's just enough pressure on it. And then you start to turn it. And each time you go around, you tighten it a little more. A little more and a little more until the pipe breaks. It's cut. Okay? And then after that, after it's cut, you'll have it like burrs on it. So I'm going to send you some emery paper, and you just take the emery paper and you go around it to get it nice and smooth. After that, what you do, you take this fitting here, and you slide that on the back of the fitting, and just say this is a long pipe, and it goes way back here. Okay, so it's resting on the pipe there. Then what you do, you take this washer, and it has like points on it. So the points go facing towards the end of the pipe, like this, just like this. Okay, and then after that you put on this cone washer right on the very end of it, where the end of the copper pipe meets the washer. Then you take this and you put it back over, and you slide that on like that. Then you take this end, and you don't need Teflon tape or anything. You screw that on. All right. You're going to need some wrenches. Jeremy probably has some wrenches where you put one on here. You hold tight with a wrench here. Okay. You hold tight with the wrench just like that. With this end, you just hold fast with that, and then you take this end of the fitting and you tighten it as hard as you can, as much as you can. All right. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to send you a simple piece of CPVC with a cap on it. This doesn't have a cap on it yet. I have to get a cap. So the cap is going to be it's going to be already glued on this end here, and you can take this and cut it any length that you want. But what you're going to do afterwards, when you get the length that you want, you just slide that on, just like the other end, and same thing, with the points going towards the end. Slide that on just a little bit, and you put the cone washer on the end, just enough where the end sticks out. Just like that, see? The end is just touching the pipe. All right. Then you take this and you slide it like that, and it's simple, easy peasy. You tighten it, and you do the same thing. You have a wrench here, and then the tightening wrench, you tighten it as tight as you can get it. And then this end will be capped. You're all done. No more leaks.
Okay.
All right?
Done.
Easy peasy. I'm going to send this out to you tomorrow.
Okay. Done.
Okay.